So now that you have a picture in Lightroom, we're going to learn how to do edits on it. So up here you switch from library to develop. And now you're looking at a bigger view of the picture. You have tools on this side right here that deal with the picture as a whole. And then over here you have filters that you can add to your picture as well. But usually we start on the right side. Tools up here at the top. This is the first one you want to try. It's called crop. And that will allow you to cut off the parts of the picture you don't want. So I'm going to try one by one. I'm going to center my picture a little bit. Now I got rid of all the extra stuff. What I want to show up the most in this picture are the water drops on the succulent. Okay, so this part in the middle is what I want to stand out the most. I'd like the background to actually get darker and a little less in focus. So these tools right here make the picture either more yellow or more blue, more pink or more green. I think it looks fine with those at 0 and 0. So I'm going to leave that alone. This is the picture gets all darker or all lighter. I think it looks good. I don't think there's a problem with darkness and lightness. Contrast means that the bright areas get brighter and the dark areas get darker at the same time. And this makes things look a little bit sharper focused, so I'm going to use that. I feel like my highlights are a little bit bright, so I'm just going to take them down. Anything that's black and shadowy, I'm going to make darker so that this thing right here in the middle pops out more. Clarity helps with focus, and then vibrance makes colors look a little brighter. The last thing I would try in a picture like this is go to Effects and go to this one called Vignette and make the edges just a little bit darker. And now that really pops out. So if I look on the left side, I have presets. Here's my history. This is what my picture looked like when we imported it. And then each step along the way when I worked on it to the finished result. And that's how that works.